So.
Cheese.
Right.
Have a great trip.
Yeah, we are going where, Matthew? Great Wolf Lodge in Pennsylvania. And we are going to drive in a little bit of weather, a little bit of rain.
That's already Maryland.
Alright guys, we are now passing Catechin Mountain, which I believe is still Maryland, but it is close to the border of Pennsylvania. This is where we normally go apple picking, and they got some good pies over here. Good old pies.
Matthew's back there being lazy. He's looking at his tablet. Doesn't want to say hello to everyone. Got it. That's video.
Yeah, look, Catechin Mountain. Catechin Mountain Orchard. Roadside market. Apples, peaches, baked pies, cherries, tomatoes, vegetables, and cantaloupe. Let me get a cantaloupe. Look at that. That is the... Matthew, look. That's the famous orchard. You remember we went apple picking there? That's where we made the apple picking video. And we got a pumpkin. Alright guys, we are here in the Gettysburg area. Right over my shoulder there's a Panera Bread. Right, we've been over here in this shopping center once before. Across from the Panera there is a Taco Bell, and way in the distance there is a Sheetz. Comment down below if you enjoy either of these places, Panera, Taco Bell, or Sheetz. From here we got about an hour until we get to Hershey Park. Once we get to Hershey Park, we're gonna eat some chocolate. Let us know what your favorite chocolate bar is. Mine's Reese's. What's yours? He likes Jolly Ranchers because he's a sucker. I believe Harrisburg is nearby, and Harrisburg is Penn State University. Go Lions, right? They are a member of the Big Ten with Ohio State and Michigan, and they're famous for their whiteouts. Big matches. Big sign on the left. Hershey's, kiss it. We are close to the Hershey Sports Entertainment Complex. WWE would sometimes come over here and wrestle. Right? We can actually see the theme park. If you've ever been to the theme park or like roller coasters in general, hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive alerts for all of our videos. Woohoo! We're here, we made it. Chocolate World. Chocolate. I like a chocolate. I like a lot. Alright. And we're not gonna go to the amusement park, although it is very lovely, right? We've been here during Halloween. They actually close kind of early, if I recall. Not like Busch Gardens. Busch Gardens is open ridiculously late. They are open until midnight. I think this place, if I recall, was open until what? 6 or 8?
No, 9 p.m.
9 p.m.? So it goes to chocolate.
Yeah, it's the very first one.
Yeah.
The Kisses roller coaster.
Yeah. That's a
With
new
the
one,
Hershey.
though, I think.
There's more roller coasters back there, as you can see. Let's see. Chocolate World. Here we are. You can literally walk to the Chocolate World, and that's the entrance to the park.
Right. Matthew. Look into the camera. You don't got your glasses. Mommy got her glasses.
You didn't get your thingy.
I got my glasses. Pulling up to Hershey's Chocolate World. Look at this trolley. This trolley's pretty cool.
Yeah, you're gonna edit that out, right?
Yeah. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Oh, look at that. You can enter through the park here. Wow. If you go straight over there, guys, there's the entrance to the amusement park.
Yeah, you're right.